The Map Coordinates tool. On the Hand Tools tab, click on the Map Coordinates button and the Map Coordinates conversion window appears. The first thing you must do under Options is tell the toolbox the location in the world that you want it to use for referencing coordinates. This can either be in Australia, where there is a lot of detail, or for the rest of the world, where you must pick the longitudinal range. For Australia, there is quite a lot of information by states so that the zones are already picked. For Tasmania, it is very simple. There is only one zone. However, for the larger states, such as Western Australia, there are several zones. You should check with your local advisor to find out which zone you are in. Let's use Tasmania for this example. Click OK and you'll notice the country Australia, Tasmania, Southern Hemisphere Zone 55 is shown in the coordinates conversion. We convert coordinates by making up a small jigsaw puzzle. Let's say we have some AMG coordinates that we have read from a 1 to 25th hour map in Tasmania, and we want to convert those into latitude and longitudes in degrees, minutes and seconds, so we can look that point up in Google Earth, for example. So first of all, we must start off with a jigsaw puzzle from AMG in meters. We know that we want to get to a result in GDA, degrees, minutes and seconds, but those two pieces of the jigsaw will not fit together. So we have to go through an intermediate stage of finding an opportunity to join these together. And this is done by selecting the AGD degrees. Pieces that fit together will automatically lock and change into blue, and the GDA. So we now have a conversion from AMG map meters, eastings and northings to degrees, minutes and seconds. We can import data from a spreadsheet, or we can use it interactively by going to the next screen. It is asking us to enter an easting and northing, and it will produce latitudes and longitudes. We can go back, and by using one of these little hats, placing it, we can force it to also provide intermediate data as well in the output. So by doing this, it will give us the readings in degrees as well as in degrees, minutes and seconds. Let's enter an easting of 399,400 and a northing, which has one more digit, 543,8800, which is just south of Burnie in northwestern Tasmania. If we click on the OK button, we can see the results, latitude and longitude, in degrees, minutes and seconds, and also in degrees because we put the little hat on. We can click the yellow Save to Excel button and enter this data into an Excel spreadsheet automatically, particularly if we have entered 5 or 10 different easting and northing values. We can go back at any stage, we can change our model, we disconnect it by right-clicking on the piece we want to remove and then letting go, and we select our model again by clicking somewhere on it. And we can disconnect each piece by right-clicking and simply lifting it away. We can import data from an Excel spreadsheet if we have a large number that we want to do. Again, see the on-screen help for more detailed information on using this tool. To exit, click on the Exit button and you are returned to the Farm Forestry Toolbox main menu.